Here it is. You can set up a vlog, and I'm saying that different because it's a different thing than Blogger, but you get it for free. And when you get it for free and you get someone else to do it, and then somebody purchases the vlog for $77 a month, if that's the price it goes for, then let's say you didn't even buy the vlog, but you set it up and you got someone to go on it, and someone went on it and said, oh my gosh, I'm going to buy a vlog, and you are going to earn 25% of that $77. Isn't that cool? It's very cool, right? So, this is it. Welcome to my vlog. There it is. Here it is. Welcome to my vlog. So, if you were to go to vlogfollowashley.com, which I need to see if this went up. This went up, I believe. Yes. All right. So, there you go. This is the site that you go to, vlog.followashley.com. So vlog, like blog, but V for video, vlog.followashley.com. All right. So then when you go through this, and this, I was thinking about this. I was thinking, oh, I got to tell people about this blog and how you set it up on YouTube. And then I really remembered, oh yeah, I already have a vlog and you can make money from this vlog. So I might even like set up a thing on my blogger that says, oh my gosh, look at this. You can go to my vlog and get one for yourself. I guess you can use both of them. This is very cool because here you go. This is what your vlog looks like. You get to put your picture in it. Then you get to put your video in it. I have not put my video in it, but Mark is nice and he puts one in there for you until you get it up and get your own free vlog just like this one to brand you. You need to brand yourself, right? So, branding yourself. If you want a free vlog just like this one to brand yourself, have you heard about branding? If you're in business and you want to get yourself out there and maybe you're flooding your site with your product, you shouldn't be doing that. You need to brand yourself first. So, this is the perfect way to do it. And it's free and it can get you up. If you know how to market it, that is awesome. You just have to sign up, get your free vlog just like this. Go to vlogfollowashley.com and then you get this link. You click it and then you will be taken to the page to get your free vlog. Now, that's only if you want to get a free vlog. If you want to go to a webinar this Sunday and you got a question, you can ask Mark anything. There you go. You got something to ask about it? It's fine. But I'm telling you, you just want a free vlog just to have, just have it. Just have the free vlog today. You don't have to do anything with it. I don't get anything for it. You just have it and you just use it because you just use it to send people to it. Every day this gets updated with a new vlog. This one is The Secret to Self-Motivation by Mel Robbins. This is just a new video every day, inspirational things about entrepreneurs. Then there is Twitter. If you want to learn everything about Twitter, you can go on to this Twitter testimonies. Oh, that's for the Twitter leads. The Twitter lead training, you can get it free. I'm telling you, free. Another free thing. You get it free, and it's this cheat sheet of training on how to get your Twitter set up to get more followers, to market it right, to do the right marketing, to do the personal branding. That's what you need to do, personal branding. Don't be flooding it. Actually, on Twitter, you can put your product, but probably only 20% of your product. You want to do mostly your personal branding. So it's like 40% lifestyle, 20% branding, and 20% something. I can't remember the exact algorithm, but Mark's got it all. He's got it in this training, and then you can actually buy the training. There's another purchase you can do. You can send this out for people to buy it, and you get the commission, 25%. And if they buy it, then you get the 25%, and you haven't spent a nickel, a penny. But anyways, if you joined, then you were a platinum member of any of this, then you get 75%. That's really cool. Then there's another one that's up. It's downloaded every day. Like, these were different yesterday. I should really watch them because they disappear. But anyways, and then this other one, there's another free unlocked module of the Firestarter mentorship program replay. Oh my gosh. This was amazing. This is what the Firestarter program we went through in January. It told you all about the 6 components of making a lead generating video. I'm telling you, that's really good too. I didn't even know I was going to mention all this in my thing. All I wanted to tell you was my blogger, but I'm so excited about this too. Get your own free branded blog exactly like this one. There you go. That's what you want to do. You get it for free. And look, there's another story that's updated daily. It's like a vlog site with 3 inspirationals on there. This is like, you're supposed to have that personal development, 30 minutes to an hour a day. Some people spend 2 hours doing it. This is a perfect way to fill up your 30 minutes. Just watch these videos. Get your brain pumped with inspiration. Anyways, so that's all I'm going to say. Vlog.followashley.com. It's a great way to get your foot in the door. But